my favorite items that we bought is the rear trunk. Although it does change the look of the Can-Am Maverick Sport a little bit in the back. It makes it look a little bit more like a utility vehicle, I would guess, but it's great. Like, it's completely waterproof, super sturdy. I've stood on there. Really heavy duty latches. And you can see there's a lot of storage in there. 3 coolers, food, gear, firewood, all kinds of stuff. Really nice rubber seal here that goes all the way around. And it took about 20 minutes to put in. Like, most of the pinholes where the screws are already pre-marked out by Can-Am. So I think we put that on maybe a week after we did it. We bought it, and I would do the exact same thing. We use it all the time. Love it. Don't regret it at all.